In this video, we will show you how to design a crown for a previously milled angle screw channel patient-specific abutment in exocad. Create an order on the project page, selecting the option for anatomy crown and the material for it. Make sure to select the cut the screw through the superstructure option at the bottom right, then click OK. Start by importing the scans for your case, which should include a scan of the custom abutment in a model with and without gums, as well as an antagonist. After confirming the scans loaded correctly, proceed to the next section. The software will automatically generate a crown template, which you can reposition, modify, and adapt as needed, making sure the contacts, shape, size, and emergence profile are to your liking by utilizing the morph and cut anatomy functions. Adapt the emergence profile of the crown to match that of the abutment, and then continue. As a final step, design the screw access hole that will go through the crown. This should match that of the patient's specific abutment. Once satisfied, the design can now be finalized. Click Next to export the design and send for milling.